Hey, Python enthusiasts! Have you ever looked at a piece of your code and thought, there has to be a cleaner way to handle all these slices? Today, I'll introduce you to named slices, a simple trick that makes your code more readable, reusable, and easier to maintain. Stick around for real-world examples, common pitfalls, and even some advanced tips to take your Python skills to the next level. Before diving into named slices, let's recap the basics of slicing. In Python, slicing is written as sequence start-stop-step. Here's how it works visually. By using indices, you can extract specific parts of your list, tuple or string. But when your code gets repetitive or your slices aren't descriptive, things get messy. Here's an example of slicing without named slices. Let's say we have a list of numbers and a string. This works, but 2 to 5 and 0 to 6 to 2 don't explain the intent behind these slices. Plus, if you need to reuse these slices, you'll end up repeating the same logic, which increases the chances of errors. Now, let's refactor this using named slices. Named slices allow you to assign a slice object to a variable with a descriptive name. Here's how. By using names like middle section and every second, your code becomes self-explanatory and much easier to debug or modify later. Let's look at a real-world example. Processing data from a CSV file. Imagine you want to extract specific columns repeatedly. This is much cleaner than writing 0 column 2 over and over. Let's talk about common mistakes when slicing. Have you ever written a slice with a wrong index and spent hours debugging? Or accidentally reversed a list when you didn't mean to? Named slices can prevent these mistakes. Instead of hard-coding indices, you define them once and reuse them confidently. Named slices also work dynamically. For instance, you can create slices based on user input or a calculation. This can be useful in programs where slicing logic isn't fixed up front. So, why should you use named slices? Here are the key benefits. 1. Improved readability. Your code becomes self-documenting. 2. Reusability. Define your slice logic once and apply it anywhere. 3. Maintainability. Need to change your slicing logic? Update it in one place. 4th. Dynamic applications. Easily adapt slices for user input or calculated indices. Named slices are one of those small, underappreciated features in Python that can make a big difference in your code. If you've used named slices before, let me know your favorite use case in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your fellow Python enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more coding tips. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!